Hey guys, it is Sunday afternoon here in the Philippines, and this is our first mini GT boxing in quite a few months. And it's also our Christmas special for this year, and what better timing but 1 week before Christmas. Usually I don't get these mini GT Christmas exclusives until after Christmas. At least it was that way last year. But this year, we got it before Christmas, 1 week ahead. So that's kind of cool. And this is a casting that I was anticipating. And I wasn't sure if I was going to get one or not, but I did. Got the Christmas edition, and I also got the Bayside Blue edition coming that should be here in a week or so. And this one here is a little bit flashy, but it's kind of cool because of the Christmas theme and stuff. Love the box. It kind of looks like just like a Christmas gift wrapping. And yeah, Santa, the reindeer, some holly, Merry Christmas 2022. And on this end cap here, you see it's a limited edition of 9,999. And ho ho ho, joy, and blah blah blah. And it's collector number 387, and it's a Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret 2022 Christmas Limited Edition. This end, same exact thing, just some different Christmas symbols here, like the stocking and the gingerbread man and holly and such. And there's a Christmas snow globe, and it says "Let It Snow." That's pretty cool. Then on your bottom side of the box, you have your age restrictions, your choking hazards, TSM model, and the TSM model logo. And then on the UPC, it states it's a Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Top Secret 2022 Christmas Limited Edition. And anyways, let's get him out of the box. It does come wrapped in like a plastic cellophane, but I already took that off so I could take some pics of this yesterday. So this is in a bigger box than usual because it has this big plastic tray that the car comes in. And it's kind of just like a PVC dome. Comes right off. Then you kind of just flip him over, and then you have your car there. And so I don't have to come so close to the camera. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. That's pretty good. So on the side, you have all kinds of Christmas logos and symbols that represent Christmas, like the Christmas wreath, the flags, the Merry Christmas, believe, meaning I guess believe in Santa, the star, the reindeer, presents, a stocking, gingerbread man, ornament, Merry Christmas in the quarter, some holly back here on the rear quarter. And then the ground effects, like the side skirts and the front and rear valences, are done in red. The body's in white. The wheels are done in red with a chrome lip, which is pretty cool. Turning it around, you have red acrylic taillight lenses, and then the XOXO. Not sure why that's there. I always thought that was like hugs and kisses, but hey, who knows. Merry Christmas across the rear deck lid. No GTR spoiler or emblem, I'm sorry. But you do have Skyline embossed in the lip of the deck lid, like the real one. The high wing that the R34 is known for, like the Nismo editions and stuff. Then on the top, you have all kinds of other Christmas stuff, and Nissan across the top of the spoiler. Let It Snow with a snow globe on the roof. That's pretty cool. And as you can see, it's right-hand drive, so it is accurate. And then you have ho 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 across the hood with Santa and joy, a Christmas tree, a present, Merry Christmas. And the mirrors on this one, they are, I guess, a little rubberized, but they feel more like a plastic, so I would be careful with them because they may break, because they are mounted accurately like how they are on the real car, right in the corner of the door window. And then flipping him over, You have die-cast base. Then you have a rear cover over the exhaust, and it covers the rear screw too, but it is held together by button head Phillips screws. Nice detail in the chassis too. It seems like everything's there, all the floorboard lines, the exhaust, transmission, and such things like this, engine, and so forth. Then in the front, you do have the GTR in the grille, and you have acrylic headlight lenses, painted markers, and then your air intakes, and then you could see like the coils of the intercooler radiator there. So really cool car. I can't wait to get the more realistic Bayside blue one. That's the one that I'm kind of really anticipating. This one's cool. The casting itself is awesome, and I always love like the Christmas holiday themed cars. But this one is a little flashy for me. Not sure I will be hanging on to this one. The Bayside blue one, on the other hand, I probably will keep it. As I said, I'm being very, very particular on like what I collect now. I mainly just want to stick with Dodges for my diorama, but occasionally there are these castings that are kind of irresistible, and this was one of them. Still a big fan of Mini GT, but just not getting as much of their stuff as I used to. But over the next week or two, we do have quite a bit of stuff coming up. We have the new LBWK wide body Sylvia S15, and then we have the LBWK Shelby Mustang, and then we have the roof Bluebird CTR 1987 Porsche coming up. And I think there was one other one I can't remember. But yeah, we have a few Mini GT castings coming up to do videos on. So stay tuned for those, guys. But this is our Christmas edition this year. So pretty cool to have it for our videos. So be sure to tune back in next week. We'll have more coming up. I have quite a bit of stuff coming in. So I'll be hitting you guys with a couple videos each week until the first of the year. So thanks for watching, guys, and take care.